I don't know if you can hear this, but it's sizzling and it smells wonderful. Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to be making pork schnitzel, so stay tuned. Okay, so what I've done is I've got my grease heating. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever you'd like to use. And I've taken 2 pork cutlets and I've kind of beat them down a little bit. And then I've got some flour. So we're going to dredge this in flour, both of these. We're just going to take them and do a real nice coating over each side like this. You like my paper plates? I always use these so I don't have to mess up a bunch of plates. And then I've got an egg, and we're going to beat that up. When I get this done, cut them real well. Just going to put them right here. Then I've got my egg. You want to take 1 egg and you want to beat it real well. And I hope everybody's having a good day today. This is going to be so yummy. We love this. I don't know if you've seen my video on my white bread, but it's baking in the oven, and we're going to have this with our pork chops here in a little bit. It's going to be fabulous. Once you've dredged it in an egg, take some Panko breadcrumbs and go over each side like this. And then I'm going to put them in my grease and cook them. Okay, and now they're cooking really nicely in the grease. I'm going to hit them both with a little seasoned salt and some salt and pepper. And then we're going to turn them over and do the same thing on the other side. Now you can do this before you dredge them, but I kind of like to do this with my crust so that it's real seasoned. Because if you don't buy the seasoned panko, then you probably need some type of seasoning on top of that. Okay, I'm going to turn them over and you can see they're real nice and golden brown. You don't want to have your burner just way too high so that your grease burns. And then we're going to season this side. Boy, these are looking and smelling so good. I hope you'll try these at home. These are one of our favorites. Okay, I got that nice and seasoned. And while these are cooking up, I want to remind you to please subscribe to my channel and like it and share it. My channel's growing. I'm loving all of this, and I'm loving all of your comments. And thank you so much. I just want you to be a part of me and my life, and I just want to hear what you have to say. So just keep subscribing, liking, and sharing. Okay, our pork chops are done. And I plated them up, and I'm going to cut into one of these and let you see what they look like. They look so fabulous and delicious. I hope you'll try this at home. I know you'll love it. Okay, this is what it looks like. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy this dish as much as we do. I'll see you soon.